Hello, good morning. Good morning. Today we have a parcel. We have two, and the second one. Okay. Naka-live tayo ngayon. We opened the first one. I expected this one is, I think it's almost 1.5 months. My parcel. So, we open this one first. Charan! We have, oh my gosh, bag. We have nice bag. Look, very good quality, medium size, leather. And we open inside. We have sling. And may mga packet sa loob. Color blue. Color blue. So the second one is, I think, the same style, the same quality, only different color. So this is the second one. And oh my gosh, the same size, the same quality, leather, and light blue, dark blue, and light blue. The same inside. Pareho lang siya sa loob. Yan guys, oh. So we have two bags in one parcel. So we have the second one parcel. We open this and oh my gosh. Oh wow. I think it's a good one. Oh my gosh. Supposed to be my order is color pink. But the item comes is color black. What's the matter? I think I have 5 stacks. The same quality. Crocodile. Crocodile leather. Good quality. Look, pulido. Pulido siya na pagkatahi. Matibay. At saka, same lang ang price ko sa other bags. Affordable, good quality. Hindi ka mamroblema kahit dahil punas-punasan mo lang siya. Mag-slide lang ang mga alikabok. At ito naman, look, pulido ang pagkatahi. Good quality. Leather siya. Matibay ang pagka-leather, makapal.